I'm sure question nyo din ito, no? How do you want to save 1 million funds in 20 years? Ano ba yung mas gusto mo? Paano mo gustong i-save ang 1 million in 20 years? Okay? So, dalawang scenario po ito. So, pwede kang mag-ipon ng 60,000 per year for 20 years. I-save mo yan sa bank at it will give you 1.2 million after 20 years. Okay? 60,000 per year times 20 years mong gagawin, lagay mo sa bank, 1.2 million. Yan yung magiging savings mo. Sa scenario number 2, kumuha ka ng Kaiser mo at 59,321. This is K100 Kaiser plan. Okay, per year. 59,321 per year for only 7 years. 7 taon ka lang na mag-save through Kaiser 3-in-1 investment. Ang projected value after 20 years is 1.2 million. So, saan mas maganda mag-save? Sa bank na 20 years mong gagawin 60,000 per year or sa Kaiser 3-in-1 investment na 59,321 per year for 7 years lang? Ano mas maganda, yung option 1 or option 2? Ganun kaganda ang Kaiser 3-in-1 investment. Kung mas gusto mo pa ng mas mataas, idoble mo lang, 'di ba? So, kaya napaka-importante ang financial education sa saving and investing. Yun nga, ang Kaiser 3-in-1 investment is my healthcare na, my life insurance, and investment. Kaya 3-in-1. So, to know more, i-visit nyo lang yung aking website, https://coachwins.my.canva.site to know more, no?